Hello everyone, I am Shivani and today I have brought to you the solutions to the MCQs of the Commercial Studies paper 2025 ICSE class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. The first question, which of the following is an example of off-the-job training? So obviously the answer will be option D, classroom training, because all others are examples of on-the-job training. This question says a detailed plan of operations, because of which the answer will be budgeting and not forecasting. Budgeting is a statement of planned events, whereas forecasting is a statement of events that are likely to happen. The amount involved in this is relatively higher, that is 5 lakhs, and expenditure on advertising is classified under deferred revenue expenditure, so the answer will be option D. Here, there's no reason why someone would put an injection in an apple. So, obviously, it will be adulteration. Both the statements are true over here. That is, preference shares are a hybrid form of financing, and the reason for it is that it has the characteristics of both equity shares and debentures. Like equity shares, dividend on preference shares is payable only when there are profits and according to the terms of issue. Preference shares are similar to debentures in the sense that the rate of dividend is fixed and preference shares do not generally enjoy voting rights. So the answer will be option A. Over here, all options are correct except option B, because commercial banks lend loans to the general public, whereas RBI is the banker to the banks as well as to the government. Here the answer will be trade test. Again, this is exactly copied from the book. Here it's written in the first statement that this account contains personal and real accounts only, but this is true for a balance sheet and not for a trading account. Trading account includes only nominal accounts. Statement 2 is that it contains opening balance of stock on the debit side, that is the opening stock, which is true. It is not prepared after the profit and loss account, it is prepared before the profit and loss account. So 3 is false. And the fourth statement is true. So the answer will be option D. This is true. That is, it aims to build the goodwill of the enterprise. Here, a, a fixed asset is acquired and any expenses incurred to make an asset ready for use is always classified under capital expenditure. So the answer will be option A. Here, two separate functions of central bank have been highlighted and they have no direct correspondence with each other. So R is not the reason for A and hence option B is the correct answer. Here, the bank pays less than the face value and charges some commission, because of which the answer will be option C, because the bank deducts some amount in order to cover the interest of 3 months. CPCB has been established under the Environment Protection Act 1986. Over here, over here the answer will be option D, but the more exact option could have been marine hull, but over here it will be option D, because the ship is shown sinking and the owner can claim marine insurance. Here the first statement and second statement relate to national pension scheme. It is exactly copy pasted from the book itself, so the answer will be option C. Here it is written carriage inwards. That is, carriage inwards means that is the expenses which are incurred on carriage for purchases. So it will be trading account firstly, and it is an expense, and that is why it will be on the debit side. So option B is the correct answer. Had it been carriage outwards, it would have been in the PL account, the debit side of the PL account. So the correct answer is option B. Thank you and keep watching.